Minasan, konnichiwa. Cello Sensei desu. Welcome to another video where we are learning Japanese verbs. In this video, we will learn the Japanese verb nomu. Nomu, which means to drink. Okay? Last lesson, we learned the verb to eat. If you haven't checked it out, I will leave the card right here so you can check it. But we're also going to learn today the verb to drink. Nomu. Okay? This is an irregular verb, meaning that when we conjugate, we will have to work with the mu, and the M colon, meaning ma, mi, mu, me, mo, all right? And this is the kanji. So let's look at our dictionary form, jishoke. The sentence, the example sentence that we have is gyunyu wo nomu. Gyunyu wo nomu. So gyunyu means milk and nomu is drink. So I drink milk, you drink milk, or I will drink milk. Remember that the dictionary form and Masu form actually can be present and future. Okay, gyunyu wo nomu. Now, Masu form, we will change from mu to mi. So nomi masu, nomi masu, nomi masu. That is your Masu form, okay? And the sentence we have here is osake o nomimasu ka? So ka, that means that we are asking a question, right? It's a question about drinking. So do you drink what? Osake. Osake means alcoholic beverage, okay? It's kind of funny because we here in Canada, or English-speaking countries, we would say sake as the type of drink, right? But in Japanese, actually, sake would be any alcoholic beverage, okay? Not necessarily the Japanese sake, right? The Japanese sake, in Japanese, we call it nihonshu, okay? Which is like Japanese sake, Japanese alcoholic beverage, nihonshu. Okay, but if you say osake, you are generically speaking, about any sort of alcoholic beverage. So it could be wine, it could be beer. Do you drink alcoholic beverages? Osake wa nomimasu ka? Next, let's look into our negative form is no manai, right? So ma, mi, mu, me, mo, we take the ma, no manai. And the example sentence we have here is osake wa nomanai. So this could be, for example, the answer for the question above, right? Do you drink alcoholic beverage? And then the answer could be like, iie, osake wa nomanai. I don't drink alcohol at all. Or if you want to say in a polite way, osake wa nomimasen, right? I don't drink. But yes, osake wa nomanai. Osake wa nomanai. Okay, I don't drink, or you don't drink, or he, she doesn't drink alcoholic drinks. Okay, osake wa nomanai. And finally, let's look into the te form, which is the teke nonde. Okay, this is a tricky one because usually when we have irregular verbs, we're gonna do the small tsu and te, right? The te. This one, because it's mu, we actually go with the de, okay? So we're gonna add the ten in the te, so it becomes de, and instead of the small tsu, we have the sound, so nonde, nonde. And the sentence we have is dozo nonde kudasai. Dozo nonde kudasai. Please drink, and dozo is like, here you go. Like when you offer something, we say dozo, dozo, right? So please drink it, or please have a sip. Please help yourself, right? Dozo nonde kudasai. You would say this as you were serving, the person a drink. Dozo, dozo nonde kudasai. All right. So one more time. Nomu, nomimasu, nomanai, nonde. Nomu, nomimasu, nomanai, nonde. So I will leave you with the sentences so you can listen and repeat and practice shadowing or listening. And in the next video, we will be learning the verb yaru, yaru, which is very similar to the verb that we did suru, to do. It has actually the same meaning, to do something. Okay, so suru, and next video, yaru. Yaru is a verb that we use as well quite a lot in Japanese. So stay tuned. I'll see you in that next video. それではまた。バイバイ。
牛乳を飲む。
牛乳を飲む。
お酒を飲みますか？
お酒を飲みますか？
お酒は飲まない。
お酒は飲まない。
どうぞ飲んでください。
どうぞ飲んでください。
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 牛乳を飲む。
牛乳を飲む。
お酒を飲みますか？
お酒を飲みますか？
お酒は飲まない。
お酒は飲まない。
どうぞ飲んでください。
どうぞ飲んでください。